Welcome to Highline Stoneworks, where your dream countertops begin. As you will see throughout our modern showroom, we have hundreds of samples of beautiful natural stone and man-made material for you to choose from. Our team will walk you through a variety of choices so you can select the best option for your project. Once you have selected your favorite material options, our designers will work with you to create a detailed layout in your designated area. This ensures a proper quote and finish for your new countertops. Next, one of our specialists will come out with a state-of-the-art laser template machine to your project to do final pinpoint measurements and go over any special details. They will capture the exact dimensions needed for fabrication. At this point, your stone will be cut and polished to perfection in our state-of-the-art facility. Our quality control team inspects each piece to ensure it meets industry standards. Then, our installation team arrives at your project ready to set the countertops in place. They will work closely with you to make sure everything is installed to your satisfaction. Finally, it's time to see the finished product. You, your family and friends can gather around the new countertops and admire the detail and craftsmanship. From selection to installation, the entire process is fun, informative and stress-free. At Highline Stoneworks, we have the expertise to make your vision a reality. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service from the first showroom visit to the final installation. We believe that choosing new countertops should be an exciting and enjoyable experience. You will see why we are the premier countertop company in the area. To begin your journey to beautiful new countertops, call us today and a member of our team will be happy to answer any questions you may have and schedule a free quote. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.